In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete stickers on Snapchat. This works for both iOS and Android devices, and it's pretty easy to do, so let's get started. Okay, so first things first, you need to go ahead and open your Snapchat and be logged in, of course. Once you get to your main camera screen, like this, either take a snap, like this, or press the upload button just to the left of the record button, go to your camera roll and choose a picture. Now it can be any picture, as it really doesn't matter as we won't be uploading it. We are just using it to get to our stickers section. Now just tap on the pen icon at the bottom left and then just press on stickers at the top right of the page just above the scissors icon. Now make your way over to the scissors icon on this top navigation bar, and as you can see I have two stickers here that I've created. Now to delete a sticker, just tap and hold your sticker like this, and then just drag it into the bin icon at the top right of your screen like this. And as you can see, the sticker is now gone. Now unfortunately you can only do this with stickers you have created, as you can't actually delete any stickers that were created by Snapchat or that are on any of these other tabs up here. But anyway, that's how you delete a sticker you created on Snapchat. If this video helped you out, please like the video and consider subscribing for more tips, tricks and tutorials just like this one. And if you have any further questions, leave them down below in the comments and I'm sure I can help you out. Anyway, I'll see you next time. Bye bye.